This is 8-feet splinterless peeling machine for the fish veneer peeling work. This machine, all the motors is equipped with the Siemens motor, and the feeding screws and rod use the servo motor. You see the servo motor. Maximum the peeling speed can reach 120 meters per minute. This is a hydraulic knife holder. Install this device, it is easy to change the knife. So better equip this device. This is a roller, you see. The roller pattern is a special design for peeling the fish veneer. This is the air cylinder to, after peeling work, the small logs left and use the air cylinder to punch, and the small logs will go down. Also, reduce machine, we use the Guomo brand, so this machine quality is very good. As for the screws, we use the brass material. This material is more durable. This is a hydraulic station for knife holder. This two smooth rod is a special installed in 8-feet sprinterless peeling machine, because we make this design, this machine during the peeling work is most stable. This is oil injector. This injector can connect with the electricity, can inject the lubricant oil to the feeding screw and rod every time. So this is very necessary. This is a veneer clipper machine, because this machine is used to do the fish veneer peeling. This is a veneer clipper. This is a swing stacker machine. Because the fish veneer, usually the thickness is very small, from 0.2, 0.3, 0.35, 0.5. So we need to use this device. This is operator. You see, with Chinese and English. If this machine you want to use in Russia, we can make Russian. This is a PLC touching screen. This is a controlling cabinet, but this machine